Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is your host, Shades. Let's talk about the one, the only BBAI sitting at $3.27. And let us take a look at the weekly time frame. Let's switch over to the one chart here. So, the weekly time frame, what I'm seeing here is a bullish falling wedge. It is preparing for a big move, hopefully to the upside, because when you see this pattern, usually means we're going to get a big breakout and a move at this point to around $5 to $7, which from current price, it can be a potential 50 to 100%, depending on where you get in, where your average is at. Remember, the last time we came down as low as $2.50, close enough. That was the bottom, right? Back then, that was the bottom, and we rallied all the way to $8.60, pulled back, and then ran to $9, and then we've been crashing since October of last year. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I think 250 was the bottom. Again, I think that 250 to 280 range was the bottom. Number two, this is a buy and hold, and there is potential for contracts coming up in the second half of this year. Same thing with Sybil stock. It's another stock that really is dependent on contracts. Without contracts, the stock really doesn't move. So, and we know that this one, when it gets contracts, it can get going. So I give this a buy, hold, sell rating of $5 to $7. Maybe you can hold for $9 if you want. You got to be careful not to be too greedy, because the stock market does punish you for being too greedy, and then you end up holding all the way. Yeah, I've seen people hold it all the way back down to their average, and then they feel bad. So it's always better to just, hey, I'm going to take profit at 5. I'm happy with 30%. I'm good, right? I'm good. Too many people, they want to hit a home run every day. But the reality is, not even baseball players are hitting home runs every day. I looked at the statistics. It's like only like 1 to 2%. Maybe the AI lied to me. But too many people, they want to hit home runs every single day. The reality is, you got to go for the base hits. And every now and then you get that home run. You get your 100 to 200% return. But you can't be greedy, right? You can't be greedy and buy and hold for $9 because you want a 3x. And then it goes up to like $8 and you're like, oh my God, it's almost at $9. And then it just comes back down because you just keep waiting for $9. Don't make that mistake. I've seen people do that. B. I don't know what I was saying. I think I was talking about bees. Anyways, BBAI, Big Bear AI. I gave you the game plan. That is it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point.